Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. Maulang umaga, Vietnam. Today we will be going to Hoi An. Before going to Hoi An, dadaan muna tayo sa The Pink Church. This is Hoi An, isang maganda at maulang umaga. Nandito kami sa gitna ng river at kami nakasakay sa isang coconut basket boat at umuulan. So, it's a demonstration of how they do their fishing here in Vietnam. Kahit na maulan, tuloy pa rin ang pamamasyal dito sa Hoi An. Each coconut basket boat ay may dalawang passengers and nakasuot din ng life vest, so safe naman. Yung salakot ay provided ng aming group tour, so even the raincoat, so wala kaming naging problema staying and enjoying even maulan na umaga. I can't just imagine na meron palang live performance dito sa gitna ng river. Ang saya, diba? Ang atmosphere ay talagang very joyful. Now, we are going to the spot wherein mamimingwit kami. We will experience the joy of catching fish or shrimp. Namimingwit kami here. Now it's time for lunch, and as expected, seafood ang lunch namin, and of course some other delicacies. So we're here at Hoi An Seafood Restaurant. After the very nice boat ride, umuulan pa rin. We will be having lunch at napakasaya. Let's enjoy the food. So, this is the place where we had our lunch. Napakaganda, diba? Tingnan nyo mga lolo, mga lola. Meron parang bahay kubo. Papaligiran ng mga iba't ibang halaman, may mga namumulaklak, at mayroon din namang mga puno. Umuulan pa rin. At tapos nang mag-lunch, so next destination. I have no reason to complain kasi for the last 2 days, binigyan kami ng magandang weather. So now, it's part of the weather na umuulan. So, tara, enjoyin natin ang umuulan na Hoi An. Nakasakay na kami sa ferry, umuulan pa rin, and pabalik na kami sa tour bus para sa aming next destination. Tabi-tabi ang tailor shop dito sa street ng Hoi An. Makakapagpagawa ka ng pasadyang damit in 1 or 2 days, ready na. So we're inside the old house there. So there are lots of things to buy if you want to buy. From here you can video. So that's my view at the bottom. I can buy one small item from here. How much for this one?
$2.
How much sindong?
40,000.
40,000. I know. So, naupo na yun. Pagod na yung lolo. So, let's go. Let's go outside. It's a free time. So, we will explore the old town or the ancient town here in Hoi An. There are 3 long streets. The first, the second, and the third street. At napakadami mong makikita. Napakadami mong mabibili. Anywhere you can see this mga handbag
sa nearly
a native ng Vietnam like this. So there are lots of lanterns.
5:30.
Lots of lanterns, beautiful lanterns. I lost one, yung kabyak ng earrings ko nawala. Wala yung pakaw actually, but I can still use it when I get back to Hong Kong. Now we're going to the second street. From the third street to the second street. Pagod na
Mission
accomplished. I like this. Walking in the streets of Hoi An, napakagaan sa pakiramdam. It's really good to see other parts of the world, other culture, other people, other places. And I thank the Lord for this opportunity. I am forever grateful. No. Thank you. So we will be crossing the bridge to be able to go to the number 1 street. So from number 2, we'll be going to number 1. There are lots of tourists. Grabe. Pero napakakulay because of the lantern. Galing.
Let's find a cafe here. May bike.
So now we're crossing the bridge. There. Ganda ang lola. So we're here. We have our tea time. We're in the number 2 street. Mango juice. And cappuccino. Cappuccino ba yan? Come on, let's go.
$90.
We're still here at Hoi An. We will have another tea break while waiting for the time at 5 p.m. Si Gusto ay nag-walk by his own, and me and Dad napagod na kawo-walk, so we're just sitting here. I just ordered mango strawberry smoothies while Dad ordered the cafe latte. So now I'm having the strawberry mango smoothie and relaxing time, antay-antay until 5 p.m. and then we will join our tour group and we will be heading to our dinner for today. Have you seen those? Yan, line up ng bike. Pasakay yung mga galing. So, sobrang papadilim, papadami ng tao. Yan na yung mga tao na nakasakay na magpapawala ng lantern. So, we will not be doing that. Instead, nanonood na lang ang Lola Mira. Here. Hindi na makasuklay ang Lola Mira. There ang lolo.
Isa pa.
Picture daw. Oh, picture. Sobrang dami ng tao. Walang katapusan. Padilim na. It's 5 o'clock and almost 30 minutes. It's 6 na. Papunta na kami sa tour bus and I think this will be the end of the day before our dinner. So, bye for now mga lolo, mga lola. See you later. So, we'll be eating dinner here in this restaurant. So there is always this place of lantern in Vietnam, and it's really nice being here. So colorful, so pretty, so good. So here, wow, the is here at the longest cable car. It's a bit scary, but it's okay.